Two creator platforms, two different worlds, one major question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Podia, the simple, adaptable, all-in-one creator store. And on the right, LearnWorlds, the advanced, interactive platform built for pros. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, here's the game plan. We're going to break them down category by category. Price, course creation and interactivity, website and branding, analytics and engagement, sales and marketing, mobile learning, and, oh yeah, community and support. Got all that? Cool. Let's roll. Let's kick it off with price. So first, Podia, straight up, their plans are way more affordable, starting at just $39 a month. And get this, 0 transaction fees. Plus, you can sell courses, memberships, coaching, the works. But yeah, if you're on the cheaper plans, you'll notice you can't go super fancy with customization. Just a heads up. Now, LearnWorlds comes in at $29 for basic stuff. So it seems cheap, right? Wait for it. There's actually a $5 fee per course enrollment if you're on that starter plan. And as you climb up the tiers, things get expensive fast. So, yeesh. If you're watching your budget, Podia's honestly the better deal here. Next up, course creation and interactivity. Podia keeps it easy with unlimited courses and basic modules. You can set up quizzes and digital products. None of that extra fluff. But you know what? If you ever want advanced grading or like prerequisite activities, you're kind of out of luck. That's where LearnWorlds just swoops in. Interactive videos. Like, you can literally have questions pop up mid-video. SCORM support, built-in assignments, automatic video transcript, the works. You've got gradebooks, certificates, AI-powered course design, even a mobile app builder. Now, yeah, honestly, a few features here feel like rocket science for beginners. But if you want full-on pro tools, LearnWorlds totally takes the trophy. Let's talk website and branding. Podia keeps things simple. An all-in-one store, clean templates, super basic site setup. You can get online fast. But if you're dreaming of your site looking super custom or want hardcore white labeling, that's kind of not happening. Meanwhile, LearnWorlds drops like 400 plus designer templates into your lap. Plus, you can mess with HTML, CSS, white label your site, spin up site flavors, customize almost anything. Even their no-code builder is next level. It sounds awesome, unless you're a total beginner. Then, honestly, it feels like you're drinking from a fire hose. Wait, quick fun fact. Did you know LearnWorlds lets you build custom, no-code mobile apps for your school? Podia doesn't offer that at all. If having an app is a must-have for you, that's honestly game-changing. Moving on to analytics and engagement. Podia does solid work here. You get good sales analytics, email performance, plug in Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. Nice. The CRM's easy, but honestly, it's more about your sales than your learner data. Now, LearnWorlds flips that. They're all about showing you how your students interact. All these actionable reports, course insights, stuff like that. Business data on LearnWorlds isn't quite Podia level, but for student activity, super detailed. So I'd say it's a tie. You can't go wrong with either. All right. Sales and marketing. Podia's built-in tools here are honestly impressive, especially for beginners. You get robust email marketing, do promotions, coupons, bundles, pre-sales, a super smooth checkout. Only thing? If you're like a marketing ninja wanting wild automations, it won't scale forever. LearnWorlds, on the other hand, unleashes the beast. Automations, subscriptions, upsells, and a mind-blowing 4,000 plus integrations. There's some setup involved, especially for fancy email sequences, but if you want all the marketing bells and whistles, LearnWorlds for sure. But honestly, for most people, Podia just works. So it edges out the win. Now for mobile learning and accessibility. Podia's storefront works well on any device, no problems there. But if you really want a dedicated mobile app, sorry, no dice here. LearnWorlds though? Oh, and here's something cool. White-labeled iOS and Android apps for your school. Push notifications, offline access, you name it. You don't even need to code anything. The catch? You'll pay for those features, so only for higher plans. Still, if you care about mobile-friendly learning, LearnWorlds is miles ahead. Last one, Community and support. Podia lets you build a basic integrated community for your products, which is fine for keeping all your stuff together. But compared to LearnWorlds, it's just kind of simple. LearnWorlds packs in interactive communities, advanced student segments, a deep help center, the whole shebang. It does take some tinkering to unlock all the cool stuff, but if you want a community that actually feels alive, LearnWorlds gets the nod here. So here's the rundown as we stack the categories. Podia wins on price and sales/marketing. LearnWorlds sweeps the board for interactivity, branding, mobile, community, plus it's got that advanced vibe overall. Analytics is honestly too close to call. Kind of depends what you care about most, right? Bottom line, if you want something quick, simple, and you're big on selling all kinds of digital products, Podia is just easier. But if you're building a full-on branded learning empire with interactive bells and whistles, and you don't mind a steeper learning curve, LearnWorlds is 100% the advanced choice. Was this comparison helpful? Hit follow for more no BS tech breakdowns so you can choose smarter and save those headaches.